Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia, and today is December 13 and it's birthday for my goddaughter, and I think I'm making this video for her just to say happy birthday, but also share some of my wisdom, I would say. And I am, when I'm driving, I don't listen to the music. I usually listen to the podcast, and it's couple of weeks right now that I'm listening to the Dave Ramsey podcast, and this show, I'd like to get different opinion of people and idea of what they're talking about. It's like to get out of debt. They are presenting debt as something that it's really bad for you, and I would disagree with it. I'd like to hear your opinion about it too, if you could leave it in the comments, but just give you different, like, put my 5 cents in it. So guy was calling and he was talking about how to get a first credit card, and that's probably it's for my goddaughter too, this video, that I really believe that being able to borrow money, but borrow money not for, like luxury things or something that you really cannot afford, but be more wise with it and borrow money to buy assets. I really believe it's opening absolutely new horizon to you. I'm just sharing my experience, and I absolutely agree that there is some people who don't agree with me, who are going opposite direction, and they believe that credit cards it's really evil and you don't need them. But we live in United States, and in United States I'm in real estate, and guys, you cannot get a mortgage if you don't have 3 credit lines in your credit, for at least 2 years. So I think that credit cards can be dangerous, and that's what happened to me. I filed for a bankruptcy. When I came to United States, I did not realize what I was doing, and usually it's really easy to pay with plastic. You don't realize how much money you're spending, and by the end of the month you're getting your bill, and guess what? You owe $10,000, but your payment is 120. And it seems like, oh, it's such a great deal. I have to file for bankruptcy 10 years ago. But right now, after, going through the bankruptcy and being used to just spend money that I have on my checking account, it's kind of changed my thinking about credit cards. And right now I'm using credit cards to buy real estate. I'm yeah, like, I really believe the deals are coming to you when you're ready. Yeah, it's so many. Like, I lost the deal for $90,000 because I did not have this money on me, right? Like, I don't have credit on this time, and I could buy 3 houses for $90,000. And guess what? These houses right now, like 1 year later, it's probably about 250,000. It's just, if on this time I had enough credit limit on my credit cards and I was not scared, I would triple my money in 1 year. And this is that's what I want you to have, like, get the credit cards, but don't spend it on buying I don't know, Gucci purse or sunglasses for $400. Just think about it, like, how to invest them, like, buy only assets with them. And I believe that having credit history is extremely important in the United States. You never know, why you would need it, and it's not that difficult to build your credit history. I was making a video about it, how to do it. you can do it. It's not that hard. You can do it with the help of your parents, your relatives, your friends. You know, if you ask them to add you as an authorized user, this is the easiest way to do it. Or you can apply for a security card, you know, yourself first, and go from there. But I just want to hear your thoughts about it. What do you think? Should you have a credit, or credit is evil and it's gonna, you know, end up bad? It's interesting. Just let me know. Leave the comments below, you know, and if you like me to do more of a video like this, I would appreciate your comments too. Thank you guys, and happy birthday to my wonderful goddaughter. And I hope that when you're 18, you're gonna start working on your credit and you're gonna be a very successful real estate investor. I love you all. Thank you.